Hello dear students, I am Dr. Vishwajeet Singh, your forensic faculty in DBMCI and eGurukul. So what is there in eGurukul 4.0 for all my students in my subject? You will find lots of true real stories, the real autopsy stories, the cases which I have done myself. Wherever required, I have inculcated all those stories to make your subject content real fun and real interesting. So you will find a topic to be very simple. Along with that, you will get the most updated, most authentic content. Correct? Along with that, you will get the benefit of all the recent previous year questions I have integrated wherever required now of your NEET PG exams as well as INI-CT exams at places. And yes, the whole app has been created in a way to keep things simple. The simpler it is, the better it is to recall, isn't it? So all the very best.